Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the new lesson, new chapter 8. The name of lesson is Market Around Us. There are different type of market around us from which we purchase things. Here, the place where purchasing and selling of goods, commodity things take place, it is known as market. And the first market about which we are going to discuss, it is a weekly market. As the name of this market is weekly market, it is held once in a week, and mainly in a rural area. The farmers of rural area, they sell their things, and the people who are in need of the things, they go there and they purchase their things according to their requirement. Here one can purchase the things cheaply, because in this market the things are sold openly and there is no any type of investment or charges of the building, electricity. That is why one can get the things cheaply in this market, and it is very good for rural people, for the rural farmers. They sell their things according to their surplus production, and one can purchase the things who are required the things cheaply. They go there and they purchase. And the second topic is given here, shop in the neighborhood. Shop in the neighborhood, the places where we live, in that area many shops are there, and we, according to our requirement, we go to the shop and we purchase the things. The benefit of this shop is that if we do not have money, then they will provide the things credit, because they recognize us, and we can purchase the things according to a requirement in our neighborhood shop. There are many type of shop in neighborhood also, and different type of things are sold in our neighborhood shop. And the third one is shopping complex and malls. Shopping complex and mall, they are available in urban area. In one roof, different type of commodities are sold, and the building with electricity, with many member of the shop, they sell the things. Different department is available in big shop, in big mall, and we can purchase everything in a mall in urban area, but charges are more there, because they take the charges of electricity also, and also they keep the labor, they have to pay the labor. That is why, according to their requirement, the shopkeeper, the mall holders, they sell their things and they charges little high. And we can get everything in one mall, in one big shopping complex, because it is the shop of many store, and we can get everything which we need in that area. We can purchase clothes, we can purchase edible things, we can purchase the sports item, we can purchase shoe, slippers, everything we can get there in that area. And textile also they sell, and we can purchase every different type of clothes from that mall. And the next one is chain of the market. Chain of the market means there are the traveling of many things from one place to another place. Like there are different manufacturer. They manufacture the things in large quantity, and after manufacturing the things in large quantity, they sell their things to the wholesaler. Wholesaler purchases the things in a lot, and wholesalers purchase the things, and then from wholesaler the retailers they purchases the retailers purchase from the wholesaler in small quantity, and many retailers purchases the things in small quantity from the wholesaler, and then the shopkeeper sells the commodity, the things in small quantity to every consumer. This is the chain of market, from manufacturing to the reaching to consumer. It is a market chain. We can get different type of things in different area which do not grow, which is not grown in our area. Wholesaler purchases these all things from the manufacturing industries, and they bring in different states, different district and different villages. The things reaches with the help of this market chain. Next topic which we are going to discuss, it is market everywhere. Students, due to information technology, we have network of information of different things, and we can purchase anything required with the help of our mobile. We can order, and they bring the things at our door. They provide us at our door the things, and when the things remain good, we take them, otherwise we will return them. Every facility is there. It means market is available everywhere. From anywhere you can purchase by your mobile, by giving information to the seller, and the seller give the things at your door with the help of internet. It is known as market everywhere. Then next is market inequality. As you seen, many type of markets are there. Weekly market is there, multi-purpose shop, malls are there, and neighborhood shops are there. But the poor people, they try to purchase the things from the area where they get the things cheap, and the person who are rich, they can go shopping complex, mall to purchase, to do marketing in large quantity. In this way, there are inequality according to market, because poor person cannot go to the mall or cannot purchase the things because they are not able to purchase the things. Sometimes the mall owner, they do not say, they stop entering of the children or the people who looks poor. These are the inequality. When we see the equality at the time of explaining about market.